Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Twitch account to your Xbox Series X or S profile. So you can go ahead and live stream or something like that, or you can just have it linked on your profile. So what we want to do is go on down to where it says account and then go over to the right and go to linked social accounts right here. And then choose it and go on over to where it says Twitch. And then you can check mark show on profile too if you want on your profile. And then we can go to the Twitch application and we can start viewing it. So if you don't have this, just go to the store and type in Twitch, and you should be able to just simply download this. So let's go over this and then go to Twitch, and it should pop up right away. And it says I own it. Now we can go to this and launch the application. We should be signed in. And there's another way that we can view our profile too. So we can see sign in on the top. So I should be able to sign in right here. Just use this code, I guess, and use it on our computer. Now, if we go to our profile, this is how it's going to be linked. So let's go to my profile and then go over to linked accounts and go to link social accounts or go to Twitch right here. And I'll open up the Twitch page. So if one of our friends choose this, we'll be able to go to this. And here's my my page, I guess. And I don't do a whole lot on Twitch, but yeah, you can have it on here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.